Hello viewers, welcome to Simplified English Grammar. Today we are not shooting any new content, but we are making reference to a previously uploaded video titled Adjective. In fact, arrangement of adjectives. If you are familiar with our videos, you remember that two exercises were given for us to solve and arrange this adjective. If you have not watched it, let me allow you to watch it. Number 1, I need a blue, new, wooden, beautiful, round dining table. Arrange these adjectives. Number 2, she brought a smooth, old, rectangular, big, Japanese, black, broken glass chair. Come Wednesday, the 21st of September 2022, we'll be going live to solve those puzzles. Yes, we'll be going live to solve those puzzles. So please don't forget, tell your friends, tell your acquaintances, if you're a student, please follow us. We'll be waiting for you. By 4 p.m, we'll be coming live on Facebook and possibly on YouTube. See you then. Thank you.